Hey guys, it's me TVSS and I'm going to start a series in which we are going to make Pong with Pygame. If you don't know what Pong is, you can just search it on Google and we will be using Pygame. So first of all, if you haven't installed uh, Pygame, just to click install Pygame. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to do this right now. And let's get into it. First of all, we'll import Pygame, and I'm actually going to make this object oriented because I like that. Uh, you can try to do it without object oriented programming, but I suggest that you should know about object oriented programming before seeing this. So I'll first uh, make the game class which will create our window and draw all the stuff there. So for the initialization, uh, we will take, I guess, width, width and height. This width and height will be the height and width of the window, and in this video, we'll only be setting up the window and not much else. First of all, we'll set the width and height to width and height. And if you are wondering why this is capital, is because it is recommended that constants should be name should be constant variable should be in capital letters, and we won't be changing our width and height anytime soon. So first we will make our window. I'll also make this capital as we won't be changing that. And to make a window, we have to do pygame.display dot set underscore mode, and this takes a tuple which will contain the width and the height of the window. So we'll give a tuple with that width, height. Now we'll make a clock which is basically like it sets the FPS limit so that the game does not run too fast. So we'll do set dot clock is equals to pygame dot time dot clock, and we'll need an sorry, that was my phone. We'll need a FPS limit also, and we'll set it to 60. And we'll need another variable which will be self.run, and we'll keep this true as of now. And what uh, what the run will be doing is basically almost any graphical thing like GUI or this game, Pygame, runs on an infinite loop, and will and, and we'll use a infinite while loop for this, and the run will see the value of the run, and if it is true, it will keep on running, and if you want to quit it, we'll set the value of run to false. And that should be mostly it for this part, and we'll get to the drawing stuff. So I'll just name it set draw, and this will be a while loop. So while self.run. Yeah guys, I forgot we have to pygame.init here actually. Yeah, have to initialize Pygame at the beginning of this. So first of all, we have to do self.clock.tick, and we have to do give it the FPS limit, and uh, this basically prevents it from going above the limit. and we have to pygame dot display dot update, and between these we'll check for any events. So pygame works on some events like quitting, closing, pressing a key, clicking the mouse, and when that event is called we can do something. So for this we basically have to do for event in pygame dot event dot get. So what this is, pygame dot event dot get gets the current events which are in the queue. It will be a list, and the event will be an item in that list, and we'll see if event dot type, that is if the type of the event is pygame dot quit, means that is basically closing, clicking this X button. If that is occurred, then we'll set the set.run to false, and since the this is set to false, the while loop will stop, and outside of the while loop I'll do pygame.quit. Now we'll basically create a game object from the game class and let's give it a height, width and height of 500, and we have to do game.draw. Now I'll run it. Yeah guys, it should be self.fh limit, sorry, I kind of forgot. As you can see, we have created this window, and if I press this X key we should close it. Yeah, it stops the program. Now what we can do is we can do self.win.set caption yeah, and what this takes an input and it will set the title of the window to that input. So let's just do pong, and that will be the title of the window. Sorry, I was interrupted there. So yeah, basically you can set the caption like this, and what we're basically going to do is you saw how the screen was completely black, and what we'll do now is make it completely white. So we'll define our white color, and the color in a pygame is basically in RGB format. If you don't know what RGB is, basically every color can be represented as a value of red, green and blue. So like, and these are values from 0 to 255. So it will take in a tuple, and let's say we have 255 red, 255 green, 255 blue. If we set all of the values to the maximum, then we'll get a white color. And if we remove all of this like 0, 0, 0, we'll actually get black colors. What you have to do is self.win.fill, and this takes in the tuple, and we'll do it self.white. Guys, we actually have to do pygame.display.set caption and not just a set caption to this. And yeah guys, like, as you can see we have a completely white window, and here we have the title pong. Let's close it. Yeah, and this is going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching guys.